pretty relevant. People are using AI to make decisions for them.
Yeah, it's interesting, right? These days, folks aren't just asking AI for info anymore. They're asking things like, which job should I take? Or should I move to another country?
Exactly. And on the surface, that sounds efficient. Like, why not get a quick answer? But it's actually kind of risky.
Right, because when you ask AI to decide, you're basically outsourcing your judgment. And judgment isn't just a prompt you type in, it's a responsibility.
Yeah, AI doesn't know your personal context, your goals, your values, how much risk you're willing to take, or your time. Without that, it's just guessing.
It might give you a pros and cons list or a safe suggestion, but it can't live with the consequences. You do.
That's where the TAJ method comes in. It stands for Think, Ask, Judge. It's not just about better prompts, it's about structuring your own thinking first.
So, step one, think. Before you ask AI anything, you define your frame. What's your goal? Is it short-term money, long-term career growth, or maybe stability?
And also, what's your risk tolerance? Low, moderate, or high? Plus, your time horizon 6 months, 3 years, 10 years?
Getting clear on those moves you from confusion to structure. Then step two, ask. Instead of vague questions like, which option is better? You ask AI to compare options based on your specific criteria.
Like, compare these two job offers based on skill growth, financial stability, industry exposure, and long term positioning over a 3 year horizon. Include risk analysis. That's discipline.
Yeah, and AI responds differently when your question is structured like that. Then comes the most important step, judge.
You ask AI to show its reasoning, pros and cons tables, risk analysis, scenario projections, and recommendations with justification.
But then you don't just accept it blindly. You evaluate it against your own values and context. Because AI recognizes patterns, but only you live the future.
And that's a key insight. In this age of abundant answers, the real danger isn't wrong answers, it's shallow questioning.
Exactly. Asking AI to decide for you weakens your strategic thinking. Structuring your decision strengthens it.
So, next time you're stuck, don't ask which option is better. Instead, ask what matters most in this decision.
Think clearly, ask with structure, judge with awareness. That's how you use AI intelligently and accomplish your goals.
Yeah, don't let AI decide for you, structure it. Thanks for listening.